Do you like food? College food? What about college housing? Because this may be the show for you! Because I'm Nick, the videographer guy for housing and dining. And today we have...
Hi, I'm back again. My name's Asta and I'm one of the social media assistants for housing and dining.
She's back again.
Yep.
Yeah, just like me. I'm back. Although I'm always here.
Unfortunately.
Anyways, whoa, that's hecking sick. For this month, we've got RA Recruitment Housing Day, but first we need to talk about an open house.
Sage Street is having their open house event. It's going to be on October 23rd from 4 to 7 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
There's going to be a lot of Switch games like Mario Kart and Overcooked, and there's also going to be raffles with really cool prizes, so show up.
Yeah, I hear some prizes might be a Switch 2, a 65-inch TV,
Or a Chromebook?
and also a cooler.
Oh,
I love
that is so cool. Oh my god. I want to win those.
I might be running that event, but don't tell anyone. Don't. Shh. What's not so secretive is that RA Recruitment is coming up.
That's right. Information sessions start this month. So go click the link in the description for more details.
It's down there. Also, applications close November 15th. So go to some of those informational sessions and get learnt. Hashtag get learnt. Speaking of housing related stuff, we've got the housing fair coming up too.
Really?
Yeah, it's happening on Thursday, November 13th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the MU Quad. A bunch of off-campus housing places in Davis will be there tabling, and you can go rummage around and talk to folks about what it's like to live off-campus. For more information, you can go, once again, down in the description, housingfair.ucdavis.edu. Get learnt.
Wait, October sounds like it's going to be so much fun.
Right, I can't wait for what's happening next month.
What's happening next month?
The next Campus Cravings. We'll see you then.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye, Mom.